Hey friends, if OneDrive is missing from File Explorer in Windows 11, then I'll give you a very simple fix. It simply means that OneDrive is not logged in. So click on search for OneDrive in the Windows search bar and then go to OneDrive. Wait for a few seconds and let it open here. Okay, when it opens here, it will open in the File Explorer itself. Okay, I'll show you. You can go to the this page once again, and you will see that it has opened in File Explorer. Okay, but it will not replicate on your system immediately. It needs while to sync the files. If you click here, you will notice that it is still syncing. So it's okay. Give it a sufficient time for that. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.